Hi, my name is Kushagra, and this is my demo for i8n clone. So the issue that I identified in current Lingo.dev workflows and the current projects that people have built is that translation is not the bottleneck anymore. There are a lot of tools that allows people to just connect something to their GitHub repo and it automatically transforms it using your engine. But now to get that engine, that's a lot of work for a small team to get done without the help of experts. So I built this tool where you can clone the the engines of any popular site because these companies like Stripe and Atlassian and Salesforce, they spend years to perfect their engines, and that is something that you can clone with the click of a button, and then with just one more click, you can just deploy it to your Lingo.dev account. So I'm testing this out with Stripe. I put in the German translations to test it out. And what it's currently doing is it crawls both the URLs, the translated version, the original version, and then it tries to extract the brand voice, the glossary, what words to translate, what not to translate, the instructions, the quality scores, and then also gives an example of what a generic translation would look like and what a more fine-tuned translation will look like. Now, why is this helpful? It's helpful because um, the tone that you use in your translations and how you come across, that's the difference between a conversion to an actual user or client and them just dropping off because the words just don't hit right. So now I'll quickly click on deploy to Lingo.dev. I'll put in my API key and I click on auto deploy. So what auto deploy is doing is it's connected with the Lingo.dev MSP and it's making a series of MSP tool calls to create the engine, apply brand voice, glossary, instructions, and the scorers. So if I go to the engines, so it's creating a new one. We can see that earlier that discovered 7 glossary items. Some are translatable, so we have custom translations for that. Others are non-translatable. Then we have the instructions set in as well, and we have the brand voice, and we have the models, which is the default. And if I go to the AI reviewers part, I would also see the scorers being added to the existing ones that I already had. And we can see that these were the list of tool calls that we need. This is the engine ID and all tool calls passed. So yeah, that was i8n clone. I hope this gets integrated to the Lingo.dev ecosystem someday after some improvements. And yeah, I hope you like it. Thank you.